Doppler 12 Futurecast.
We're going to be closely monitoring live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar this afternoon. While we're not expecting the sort of severe weather outbreak that they've been seeing in parts of the southern plains over the last couple of days, we are looking at least the potential for a few thunderstorms to fire up. And the area that we're looking at most concerned here with potential development of showers and thunderstorms would be right over central Massachusetts, out into the northern half of Rhode Island and northern Bristol County in Massachusetts. And it's later this afternoon into this evening that we're looking at that risk of showers and storms. And our Futurecast hits on all of that very nicely, and I'll show you that. But boy, it's warm outside. We hit a high of 83 yesterday. It was the warmest day so far of the year, but we're already at 83 and on our way up here, probably to the mid and maybe even a few upper 80s this afternoon. We have a southwest wind at 13 miles an hour. Even able to calculate a heat index now. 86 is what it feels like with that very muggy air in place. Taunton's at 82, Newport even at 73, and New Bedford right now at 78 degrees. It's not that warm everywhere in New England. In fact, the east coast of Massachusetts much cooler. Parts of the Cape still foggy. Boston has been locked in under the cloudy skies. And we've got a front that's sitting right across our area. It's the border between that cooler ocean air that's moved in eastern Massachusetts and the 80+ degree weather that we're seeing south and west of that front. But it's right along this boundary where we expect the thunderstorms to fire up as the afternoon goes on. Now here's Futurecast. This is starting at 2 o'clock, still quiet across the area. But as we head into the late afternoon, 3 o'clock, you start to see these little blips of green. So showers and isolated thunderstorms. What concerns us is where you start to see those darker shades of yellows and oranges and reds. This is the computer model saying, you know, it's warm, it's humid, you've got the front nearby that gives us the lift, the instability, all adding to that risk of maybe some isolated strong thunderstorms, ones that would contain maybe brief damaging wind gusts, hail, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. And most of the activity again staying around the Providence area and points north. This is 7:30 in the evening. We'll continue to track those, but as we get later into the night, low clouds and fog will return, and that'll help put the brakes on any of the thunderstorms developing. Still can't rule out a scattered shower or a thunderstorm again on Wednesday, as low clouds and fog give way to partial hazy sun on Wednesday afternoon. So I'm forecasting highs now up to 86 for this afternoon, warm and humid with that late day thunderstorm. Tonight down to 58, fog and low clouds, and then tomorrow back up to near 80 degrees, warm and humid once again. If you're planning on heading down to the beaches, there may be some fog that tries to return later in the day, but right now it's hazy sun and low 70s. Not a bad beach day, actually. Just keep an eye to the sky. 86 today, 80 tomorrow. Again, almost a repeat. Most of the day is dry, but you have to watch for a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. We'll keep the risk of those showers and storms going into Friday, and then the weekend still looks dry. In fact, Memorial Day on Monday looking at a nice day, sunny and dry. This weekend will be a little cooler for Memorial Day. Looks good for parades and remembrance ceremonies, but not exactly flocking down to the beaches with high temperatures in the upper 60s, Patrick. Overall, though, dry skies, I think most people will take it.
Yeah, good fishing and golfing weather, though. All right, thank you.